Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making something very simple from Dollar Tree, and I'm calling it Pot of Gold. You're going to need some of the little plastic flower pots from Dollar Tree and some Mod Podge and a brush. And here my daughter is just taking the brush and just covering the little flower pot with the Mod Podge. And I don't usually decorate too much for St. Patrick's Day, but I thought these little pots would make perfect little centerpieces. And they're so inexpensive to make, and it doesn't take a lot of time to do this at all. So just get you some of the little flower pots at Dollar Tree, and it comes in like a pack of 5 or 6, some glitter, a brush, and some Mod Podge. And just cover the pot completely. And it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth for the glitter to work out good. But we find that it works best to take a big mixing bowl and just pour the glitter over it so that way you can reuse your glitter and it doesn't make as big of a mess. So just cover the little flower pot with the gold glitter. And just let it dry. And you can spray your flower pots when they dry with a sealant or use clear fingernail polish so the glitter doesn't come off as easy. But there it is. Looks all cute and shiny. And we purchased 2 bags of the gold coins. And you'll need some tissue paper just to stuff in it, some green tissue paper to stuff in the flower pot, and then add your coins. I couldn't find any tissue paper, so I used a green poly mailer bag, but I think the tissue paper would look cuter than this. So here you go, a simple DIY for St. Patrick's Day. Thank you guys for watching.